How to delete Bigo account permanently. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Bigo application on your device. Once you open up the app, you have to log in, and once you are logged in, you will be able to see the home page of Bigo. So in order to delete your account, you need to go to your account management. For that, you need to tap on the Me option in the right bottom corner. And from over here, you have to tap on the settings or the gear option of the right upper corner. And here you will be able to see the account management option in the third row. Simply go for that. Once you are here, you will be able to see the various options. You have to scroll a little bit where you will be able to see the account ownership options. Under that, there is a delete account option at last with a bold black letter. Simply go for that. Once you tap on that, you'll be opened up in this interface. You have to verify that you are going to delete your account, so you can simply go for next option. And after that, you have to simply go for confirm and continue option over here at the lower button. If you want to read this description, then you can read. After reading, you can check mark over here and simply go for delete account. Once again, you have to go for delete account option. And after few seconds, you can see the account has been deleted successfully. This is how you delete Bigo account permanently. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.